Will it be right to say that sin is intentional violation of any commandment of God?
Will it be right to say that the definition of sin is intentional violation of any command of God?
The definition of sin is not always an intentional defiance of God's will, because the word sin is described as dhamb in Arabic. Dhamb means not only willful defiance, but also the human inability to perform a certain thing. Khata and nisyan also play a part in this. So that part of sin which is not intentional, that is forgiven by Allah. That's ignored by Allah. But that part which is willful, there man stands responsible for his actions in sight of God. Then it is up to him to forgive or to punish. It doesn't mean that sin must always be punished, but much more lenient attitude is taken by God towards that sin which is unintentional. About Adam, God says, فَلَمْ نَجِدْ لَهُ عَزْمًا. Other translators may translate it differently, but I always translate it as this, that we forgave him because we did not find in him a resolution to do sin, to commit sin. Right?